NOVOFLEX Bellows systems are renowned for quality, construction, versatility and durability. Today we are introducing the latest addition to the NOVOFLEX Bellows lineup, the new automatic macro bellows. These new automatic bellows are made for a variety of popular camera systems, including compact mirrorless systems. Easy to carry smart bellows transfers all data from lens to camera and camera to lens, giving all the information you would normally get with the lens attached directly to the camera. NOVOFLEX automatic macro bellows are small enough to carry with you all the time, measuring just 5.7 inches long and 3.5 inches wide. At its widest point, you can always have macro ability with you, even when you're on the go. NOVOFLEX automatic macro bellows features full data transmission between camera and lens through the contacts on the automatic mounting system. All you have to do is mount your camera to the camera mount side and add a camera lens to the other side. It works just like mounting a lens directly to your camera. Change your aperture and the system will automatically adjust. Auto stop down, auto exposure modes and all metadata is recorded. This full data transfer is made possible by the detachable automatic coupling. This can be detached and used as a reversing ring. NOVOFLEX automatic macro bellows is better than extension tubes because it is completely variable. Extension tubes come in fixed lengths and multiple tubes must be used to get to longer extension lengths. Using multiple extension tubes introduces multiple connections, and these connections have a certain amount of clearance that could cause movement of the tubes when you're using them. Because depth of field is limited in macro photography, we want to avoid movement that could affect image sharpness. And we all know what happens when couplings are used over and over. The bushing can wear, introducing even more potential movement into the shot. NOVOFLEX automatic macro bellows provide a smooth, continuous movement through entire travel distance. German engineering and precisely made parts ensure your camera and lens mount securely and hold steady, even for long exposure and super shallow depths of field. Pulled all the way back, the extension is 76 mm. Fully extended, NOVOFLEX automatic macro bellows give you a full 116 mm of extension. Some macro lenses do not allow the user to achieve one-to-one magnification. For instance, the Zeiss Milbus 100 mm macro's maximum magnification is 1:2. Add NOVOFLEX automatic macro bellows, and the magnification factors go well beyond 1:1. Use your existing macro lenses and get more creativity at higher magnification factors. Most standard kit lenses combined with the automatic bellows gets you shooting macro without having to purchase a dedicated macro lens. For example, using a Fuji 55-200 set at 55 mm with the NOVOFLEX Bell Fuchs automatic macro bellows, set at maximum extension, magnification is 4.5:1. To get even higher magnifications with some lenses, all you have to do is reverse the automatic mounting system and use it with the bellows. The automatic macro bellows is how we achieve magnification. Add Castel Mini 2 or any other NOVOFLEX focusing rack for easy composition and focus. NOVOFLEX automatic macro bellows lets you shoot macro in the studio or in the field. And it's future-proof and versatile for multiple camera bodies. Do you have a second camera? Or are you planning to buy another camera? Just add the appropriate auto mounting and reversing ring to your gear. No need to purchase a second bellows. And you can be sure that as new cameras are developed, NOVOFLEX will be working hard to make popular cameras not yet released work with your bellows. Compact enough to carry all the time, precise German engineering and construction, durable and designed to last a lifetime, allowing full data transfer. That's NOVOFLEX automatic macro bellows. The bellows system allows you to get close up and expand your vision into the world of small.